Hey guys, this is the introduction to Lab 6, so let me at least talk to you through some important things that we'll need going forward here, at least for Lab 6. So what we're going to be doing here today is going to be discussing a lot about that end of kind of chapter 14, 14.4, 14.5, and 14.6. So we're going to be tackling tangent planes and trying to draw them out. So the first couple exercises are for you to understand how to actually calculate the gradient in Mathematica. There's a couple different ways to do it. There's this command you can go through and actually write it out fully, my grad here. There also is just a gradient function, grad, and again, using this \period to actually have inputs there in this case. So what we're doing here is we're going to try to form the tangent plane from a function, from a surface. I'm going to give you a point. We give you a point here. I then give you the function that I want to find the tangent plane to. We're going to go through that process because we know the normal vector to a plane is the gradient. To a surface is a gradient. So with this first couple are going to be there, noting that we are going to probably have to use this command, noting that this dot product here, this is a dot product, this is not multiplication. So please be aware of that. You should be using the dot command, the DOT command for that, because we're going to have a dot product here. So please be aware. As well here, then we're going to plot everything. We're going to plot the ellipse in this case. We're going to plot the plane. Now note here why we have this plot ellipse here equal to 1. This equal to 1 here is based on what this function is equal to 1. So in the next couple of exercises, you might have to change that. Planes, though, are always equal to 0. Right? They're always equal to 0. So we have something equal to 0 here, as we have right here, something equal to 0. So we're going to plot these, and we're going to try to show you this whole entire thing as too. Exercise 4 is for you to put everything together here by yourself to kind of do the same exact thing and find the plane in this case. Now, the next part is going to be talking about the maps and gradients. So what is the gradient? What is the contour plot? And what does the gradient field kind of look like? We're going to be doing something called a vector field. A vector field is a field just of vectors going in different directions. You kind of imagine it as kind of a whirlwind or a pool, where if you place a marble, where does the marble go? That's kind of the idea. We're going to be drawing these out, and we're going to be superimposing them. So I want you to understand the relationships between the gradient field and specifically level curves. They should have something very interesting in common, and hopefully we can start to develop that in these last couple of exercises. Here, we're going to make vector plots and contour plots. Please be aware of that. And in this couple of exercises, it's just 5, 6, and 7. We're going to be using these kind of things, usually contour plot and vector plot, not in 3 dimensions here. Making sure that you answer all these as comments and all that are going to be really important too. Okay, so that's kind of it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day.